Okay, so I'm here at my new Jupyter notebook, and now we are going to start another data structure, which is the tuples. Now let me rename it. So the data 7 tuple. Okay, so what's a tuple in Python? So in Python, basically a tuple is a collection of ordered and immutable elements. Now, for us to understand is like the way strings are immutable. That means once a tuple is created, the elements within it cannot be changed. So that is what the immutable means. Okay, so once you create it, you cannot change the elements. You can access that, but you cannot change that. Okay, so for defining tuple there is a syntax, and we'll see that in a moment. And also let's create my tuple. So basically if you define like this, and so this is a tuple. So let's see a type. We'll see the type of my tuple. That's a tuple. Okay, so that is how we define. We need to have a parenthesis around the values which you want, and you can access like index we access. So if you see my tuple 0 will give you 1, right? And as I told you, it's immutable. So if you try to create it, this code will give error because you cannot do that. Do not support item assignment. So this is immutable, so we can't change it once it is defined, right? So that is something about the tuples, how we create a tuple. Okay, and that's all in this video. Next video we'll see how we can convert any iterable into a tuple. See you in another video.